How to do smooth sliding blur transition. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline and I would like to add a smooth sliding with blur transition between them. Drag the first video into above track and then drag the second video a little under the top video. This is the length of the effect. Now use razor tool to cut both videos. With selection tool, select the top cut and go to Effect Controls panel. Now place the playhead at the end and increase position first value until it left the screen from the right side and click on stopwatch next to position to create a keyframe. Move the playhead to the start and click on this reset button to set the position to its original value. This will create another keyframe. Now we have this slide transition. Click on the eye in the top track to hide it for now. Now select the bottom cut and move the playhead at the start, then drag position first value to the left until the video leave the preview from left side and click on stopwatch next to position to create a keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and click on this reset button to set the position to its original value. This will create another keyframe. Now click on the eye to show the above track. Now we have this nice slide effect. Select the top cut and expand the position to see the ramp. Then select both keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease In. Right-click again and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease Out. Now do the same thing for bottom cut. Select both keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease In. Right-click again and select Ease Out. Now our transition is smooth, and it's time to add a blur to it. Right-click in your project panel and select New Item, Adjustment Layer. The default settings should match your sequence. Click OK. Now drag adjustment layer above your clips and adjust its length to be like your cuts. Then go to Effects panel and search for Directional Blur. Drag and drop Directional Blur effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls. First, move the playhead at the start and set direction to 90 and click on Stopwatch next to Blur Length to create a starting keyframe. Then move the playhead in the middle and set Blur Length to 20 to create the second keyframe. Then move the playhead at the end and click on the Reset button to set blur to 0 again, to create the third keyframe. Select all the keyframes and right-click and choose Ease In and again do that and choose Ease Out. Now our smooth slide blur transition effect is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.